Hi, this is David and Jackie.
Where better sleep awaits you.
Welcome to Adjustable Bed HQ.
That's right.
Today we are talking about how adjustable beds can help arthritis pain relief.
It's really quite fascinating how just by making adjustments to your bed can significantly impact managing arthritis pain.
Yeah, and we were looking at some research showing that millions are affected by arthritis, and a lot of them, this pain is impacting their sleep.
Absolutely. And that's what makes this deep dive so interesting. We're going to explore how adjusting that sleep position can actually alleviate some of that pressure and discomfort.
Okay, so let's unpack this a little, because sometimes just shifting positions in a regular bed can bring temporary relief, but adjustable beds seem to offer a whole new level of customization.
Exactly. We're not just talking about like propping yourself up with pillows, right? Adjustable beds let you fine-tune the angles of your head, your legs, even specific areas like lumbar support.
Yeah, so it's like taking that idea of, finding a comfortable position and then just supercharging it with technology.
Exactly. Think about it how you naturally adjust your position to relieve pressure on a sore joint, like adjustable beds. You can do that with precision. Target the exact areas that need support.
Yeah, that's really cool. And I'm especially intrigued by this zero gravity position that keeps popping up in the research. What is the deal with that?
Imagine experiencing the weightlessness of space.
Okay.
That's the idea behind the zero gravity position.
Okay.
Elevates both your head and your feet, evenly distributes your weight, and reduces pressure on your spine. So think of it as like giving your entire body a break from that constant pull of gravity.
That sounds incredibly relaxing.
Mm-hmm.
I can see how that would be a game changer for someone dealing with, constant joint pain.
Especially for back pain. If the research mentioned lower back pain, that's a huge one. The zero gravity position can really help decompress the spine, reduce those aches.
Yeah, one thing that really stood out to me in the research from Oak Tree Mobility and Willowbrook was how adjustable beds can also improve blood circulation.
Yeah, it's not just about positioning by raising your legs above heart level. You're essentially helping gravity work in your favor, help drain fluid from your lower extremities, which can reduce swelling and inflammation.
So it's not just about relieving the pressure. It's about addressing that underlying inflammation that contributes to the pain.
That's right. Improved circulation means your body can better deliver nutrients and remove waste products from those affected areas.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
So you're really supporting the healing process.
Wow. Okay, so we're already starting to see how these adjustable beds go beyond just comfort. They're impacting the whole body.
Exactly. It's about creating a sleep environment that promotes healing and reduces pain so you can wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day.
And who wouldn't want that?
Exactly.
Now, I'm curious about some of the specific features that can enhance these benefits. You mentioned massage earlier. Is that something we should dive into?
Absolutely. Some adjustable beds offer built-in massage features, which can further stimulate blood flow, relax muscles, and enhance that overall sense of well-being.
Okay, so let's talk about that, because that sounds like a game changer, especially for someone with arthritis.
It's like having a spa treatment right in your own bed.
Right, like that massage functionality from Flexibed that we saw.
Exactly. And it really adds to that idea of creating a holistic sleep environment that really supports, both your physical and mental well-being.
Okay, yeah.
Now, speaking of support, let's talk mattresses, because the mattress plays a crucial role in how effective an adjustable bed is going to be for arthritis.
So it's not a one-size-fits-all situation.
No, not at all. And, you mentioned opera beds. They really emphasize that the wrong mattress can actually worsen arthritis symptoms.
Right, because if you're already dealing with pain, you don't want a mattress that's going to add to that.
Exactly. You need a mattress that contours to your body, relieves pressure points, and promotes proper spinal alignment.
And they recommended a medium to firm mattress.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. That's a good starting point for most people with arthritis. It provides a balance of comfort and support.
Okay.
And both Flexibed and Oppa beds seem to like memory foam or latex for adjustable beds.
Yeah. I've heard good things about those materials. It's like you get that kind of cradling sensation without feeling too soft.
Right. They conform to your body shape, distribute your weight more evenly, and reduce stress on your joints.
So it sounds like finding the right mattress is just as important as choosing the right adjustable base.
Absolutely. It's all about creating that personalized sleep system that caters to your individual needs.
Now, how about those additional features we've touched on, massage? Are there any other kind of bells and whistles that could be particularly helpful for someone with arthritis?
Yeah, some beds offer adjustable lumbar support. You can fine-tune that level of support to match your specific needs.
Wow, that's amazing, that level of customization.
It is, and you mentioned those rotating chair beds from Opera Beds.
Yeah, those sound really intriguing.
They're fantastic for anyone who struggles with getting in and out of bed because they literally rotate to help you transition from lying to sitting, so it reduces strain on your joints.
So we've talked about features, mattresses positioning.
Yeah.
Is there anything else people can do to kind of create that ideal sleep environment for managing arthritis pain?
Well, think about the basics. A dark, quiet, and cool room that can do wonders for promoting restful sleep.
Yeah.
And try to limit screen time before bed. That blue light can really mess with your sleep cycle.
It's amazing how those simple things can make such a big difference.
They really can. And don't underestimate the power of a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, even on the weekends.
Yeah, to keep that body clock in check.
Exactly. It helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle.
So it sounds like there's a lot to consider. But it's all about creating a personalized approach to managing arthritis pain through better sleep.
Right. It's not just about the bed itself. It's about creating a holistic sleep routine that supports your overall health and well-being.
And I think that's a great segue into talking about the bigger picture here, because we've been focusing on arthritis pain. But better sleep has benefits that go far beyond that. Right?
Absolutely. Sleep affects everything from our mood and energy levels to our immune system and cognitive function.
So really, when we talk about improving sleep, we're talking about improving our overall quality of life.
Exactly. And I think that's something for everyone to keep in mind, whether you're dealing with arthritis or any other health challenges.
Sleep is foundational.
It really is. It's like the bedrock of our well-being.
It really is. We've covered a lot of ground in this deep dive into how adjustable beds can help with arthritis pain relief.
Yeah, we started with the basics of how they work and then went into, some pretty specific features and even touched on creating that sleep-conducive environment.
Yeah, and I think one thing that's become really clear is that it's not about just finding any adjustable bed. It's about finding the right one for you.
Exactly. You got to understand your needs.
Yeah.
What type of arthritis you have, what areas you experience pain, and then you can tailor that sleep solution accordingly.
Right, because, early on we talked about how millions are impacted by arthritis, and it's easy to feel like just another statistic.
But what I think is so empowering about this deep dive is realizing that you have options. You can actually take control of your sleep and your well-being.
Yeah, it's like shifting from feeling helpless to feeling empowered to make those informed choices.
Exactly. It starts with that self-awareness, understanding your body, your pain points, and what brings you relief. And then you can explore those features and adjustments that can address those needs.
So it's not about blindly following trends. It's about being informed and advocating for your own comfort.
Exactly. And that's where the research you brought is so helpful. It gives you that starting point to have those conversations with healthcare professionals, to ask the right questions, and to personalize your approach to managing arthritis pain.
And speaking of healthcare professionals, it's worth saying again that while adjustable beds offer this fantastic potential, they're not a replacement for medical advice.
Absolutely. They should be seen as part of that holistic approach to managing arthritis, working with medication therapy and lifestyle changes recommended by your doctor.
So it's about adding another tool to your toolbox, not throwing the whole toolbox away.
Exactly. Integrating these solutions to create a comprehensive plan that supports your overall well-being.
Now, as we wrap up this deep dive, I want to leave you with a final thought.
Okay.
We've talked a lot about the impact of sleep on arthritis pain, but, it goes way beyond that.
Yeah, sleep is foundational to our health. It impacts everything.
Everything.
Our mood, our energy levels, our immune system, cognitive function, you name it.
And so whether you're considering an adjustable bed or not, the key takeaway here is to really prioritize your sleep.
Think about that sleep environment, your routines, and those small changes you can make to create a more restful and supportive experience.
Because investing in your sleep is an investment in your overall health and well-being.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
And on that note, we'll leave you today. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of adjustable beds and arthritis pain relief.
We hope you found it informative and empowering.
Sweet dreams.